Hey there. Whether you're chasing a first 5K or a marathon PR, the runners who improve are the ones who track their training. This is the running and race training tracker with a built-in pace calculator, and it turns your miles into real insight. Let me walk you through it. We start on the Start Here tab, a quick guide to setting up the tracker for your goals in your race. The Settings tab is where you enter your preferences and your goal race, so the whole workbook is tailored to you. The Run Log is your training diary. Log each run, the distance, time, and how it felt, and the tracker does the pace math for you automatically. The pace calculator is the star. Enter a goal time, and it tells you the exact pace you need to hold, predicts your finish time from a recent effort, and gives you a handy even split reference table for race day. The training plan lays out your weekly runs leading up to the race, so you always know what today's workout is. Personal Records keeps your best times at every distance in one place so you can see your progress and chase the next one. The Shoes tab tracks the mileage on each pair so you know when it's time to replace them before an injury creeps in. The Race Calendar lists your upcoming races and goals so your training always has a target. And the dashboard brings it all together: your weekly mileage, your trends, and your progress toward your goal at a glance. That's the whole tracker. Everything you need to train smart and hit your goal in one file that works in both Excel and Google Sheets. If you're ready to run your